Indian village. You can see inside the forest. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty Janath. Indian limbs are here. You see, goats looks pretty. You can see here how is going, and she will graze there. Look, observe the beauties of nature. The village cows are grazing in the agriculture field in the village forest. This cow is grazing, the beautiful cow. You see, these cows are grazing the beauties of my village. You see two Indian black bulls, the powerful, strongest, taking rest under the tree in the noontime. Noontime, the hot time, Indian cows are taking rest under the tree. Friends, in the garden, you see the beauties on the earth. In my village side, the village agriculture field, you see the Indian bull. Indian village, you see how much beautiful the thatched house. It's taking rest under the tree in the shadow. You can see dog sleeping, and the Indian bull under the tree is resting, is taking rest. Yes. Is of my village, friends. You see a motor launch is coming. So you can see the morning village views in the village forest of my village. You can see the green trees and the agriculture field with a village forest. You can see of my village in the morning time. You can see